Yeah, I think almost everybody is once in a while in a situation where you have to carry something not only heavy but also large, and we all do not get younger, and sometimes we just need some assistance, especially when we are alone, don't have any strong helping hand, and that's where the KEDSUM Foldable Luggage Cart is coming into play. So this is exactly how I got it. Cutting this zip tie here. It comes with a bungee cord, which we have to remove here, but can be a super helpful thing. Comes also with a quick instructions manual. 4 easy steps. We get even a nice storage and transportation case or bag, and it comes also with a very solid but still elastic textile strap with hooks, and so to unfold is very easy. We open it a little bit and then step with our foot on it and then pull it fully up. That's the idea, and then we can extend the handle to the length which we need, usually fully up. After using it, we can just push here on the button and push it in again, and then fold the cart and store it easily. Super convenient, but of course we want to know how this is working, and so like that we can already feel that everything is super solid, super sturdy. These wheels, everything looks almost like unbreakable, can support weight up to 290 pounds. The wheels in the back are straight secured, but the ones in the front are 360 degrees rotatable, so you can see how flexible we can move this around. And so I need to adjust some chemicals outside in the pool, and so I have everything here, and so instead of walking 10 times back and forth with this cart, I can just load everything, bring it to the pool and use whatever I need to use. Because these plastic boxes are not only heavy but also large, I think it could be an advantage to pull out and extend the cart a little bit. So I'm loading box number 1 and box number 2 and secure it with these elastic straps here just in the back where the handle is. And so you can see, despite the heavy weight, I can move it around, roll it around here with just one hand back and forth. But the floor here inside, of course, is very smooth, so let's also test it outside where it's a little bit more rough. Yeah, so let's see how this works here. Now the doorstep. Critical moment. Yeah, I can just pull here. It's a little bit off center. Should have applied the textile straps on the other side as well. But what we could do is maybe something like that to secure it to both of the sides. Yeah, that definitely works. So we don't have to use the textile straps every time. Also here, this area, not easy. You have to hold it maybe, but works really, really nice. And so we are here right at the pool. Yeah, and so I have now everything here where I need it. So a huge, awesome helper. Absolutely awesome, super sturdy, easy to use. I would say it doesn't get much better than that. At least at the moment I'm super happy with it. I mean, of course we have some limitations regarding the size, stability, because also of the dimensions. But on the other hand, this thing is so super easy to fold and store again. So I think if you're not a professional mover, this could be the perfect compromise between size, flexibility, stability. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this luggage cart, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.